Hello everyone, welcome back to Hanon step-by-step guide. This is the left hand for exercise number 1, focusing only on the bass clef hand and the bass clef notes. Although the first measure, both right hand and left hand notes are on the bass clef, we're going to focus on the lower notes, which are pointing downwards. They're beamed together. The first note on the left hand, for the left hand, is another C. That's a low C. Down here. So your middle C is right here. The bass C is an octave below to the left, and the low C another octave down. Okay, as you see on your sheet music, there is a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 numbers. Those are your finger numbers left hand. So 5 finger will be playing bass C, or sorry, low C, and then it skips D just like before on the right hand. Your forefinger will go now to E, then your third finger to F, and second finger to G. That's your first 4 notes ascending pattern. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2. Now C, E, F, G. Work on it. If you need to pause the video to work on it a few times, repeat it 4 times in a row. Okay, I suggest that to get it to your muscle memory. Once you got that right, the descending pattern starts with your first finger, thumb, on A also. And then the same fingers that played the ascending pattern from 4, 3, 2, now it's 2, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, downwards. Same notes, G, F, E. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that right. Repeat it 4 times, pause the video, and then come back. Okay, so once you get that right, we're going to put them together. Ascending pattern. Do it one more time. And then descending pattern starts on A. 1 finger, 2 finger G, 3 finger E, F, and then 4 finger E. Okay, so now, ready? One time. Okay, so practice and pause the video again if you have to. So now we're going to turn on a metronome. We're going to slow down -20 or -30. This keyboard doesn't have a display tell me what's the speed, but I'm thinking this is around 80. All right. Okay, or 90, something like that. Beats, 90 beats per minute. So hand position again, we're starting ascending pattern for each tick of the metronome, each note. I know we're in 2/4 time, but we're just counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those 60 notes, we're just gonna count it up to 4. Okay, for now. Ready? Countdown, 4, 3, ready, go. Then stop. Okay, we're gonna repeat it again. Ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. All right, that should get into your muscle memory by now. Descending pattern now starts on first finger on A, 4 fingers downwards up to E. Okay, so ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. All right, one more time. 4, 3, ready, go. All right, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna put them together without stopping, ascending, descending. Okay, ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. And stop, just one time for now, just to keep it light, all right? So we're gonna do it again, one time only. Ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. Good. Gonna do it twice now. Okay? Ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. Second time. Ready to stop? Stop. Okay, now we're gonna do it 3 times in a row without stopping. Okay? Get ready? In 4, 3, ready, go. Third time. One more time. All right, there you go. That's your left hand Hanon exercise number 1 in the first measure only on C. Practice that until you get it right, your left hand, okay? On our next video, we're going to put both hands together. I'm going to show you demonstrate it right now. There, if you want to try it already. It's up to you, but it's really a step-by-step process. And the more time you take and spend time with each step, the better you'll become for the next step. Okay, so if you accept that it takes time, you'll be all right. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.